Okay, good afternoon, Ma. So in the previous class we discussed, we start the second unit revision. In that, the next topic is the role of stacks and queues in computer programming equation. Okay, Ma. Generally, what is meant by stack? That is an array of elements. Okay, Ma. So here in this stack we are doing push operation and pop operation. Okay, here a stack is a list of data elements with the accessing restriction that elements can be added, that is inserted or removed at one end of the list only. Okay, ma, that is two ends are there in the on the stack. So one end is closed. Okay, ma, one end is closed. One end is opened. Closing end is called bottom of the stack. Okay, opening end is called top of the stack. Okay, ma, opening end is called top of the stack. From the top of the stack only we are inserting the elements one by one. Okay, that is called push operation. That is called push operation. Okay, ma, from the top of the end only we delete the elements. That is called the pop operation. Okay, ma. Here we are inserting element by element from the top. Okay, suppose if we are inserting one by one element, suppose 2, 5, 12, like this we are inserting the element by element. Okay, at the insertion, that is push operation. At this time, first SP value. What is SP? Stack pointer. This contains the top of the stack memory location. Okay, I must see here. A processor register is used to keep track of the address of the element of the stack that is at the top at any given time. ఓకే అమ్మ, టాప్ లో ఏదైతే ఎలిమెంట్ ఉందో ఆ ఎలిమెంట్ యొక్క అడ్రస్ ని మనం స్టాక్ పాయింటర్ లో ప్లేస్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా? సో ఇక్కడ మనకి పుష్ ఆపరేషన్ అంటే ఇన్సర్టింగ్ ద ఎలిమెంట్స్ కదా. సో ఫస్ట్ ఏం జరుగుతుంది అంటే ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసేసిన తర్వాత ఎస్పీ బికమ్స్ యాజ్ ఎస్పీ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎస్పీ మైనస్ 4. Okay, ma, SP minus 4. So after that we are inserting another element onto the SP location. Okay, ma. So that is the push operation. Next, pop operation. Pop operation means deleting the elements from the stack. So here what happened? First delete the element. Move square brackets of SP comma item. That means deleting. So after deleting, what is the status of SP? SP becomes as SP equal to SP plus 4. Okay, ma, SP plus 4. So in this way, we are inserting the elements and deleting the elements from the stack. Okay, here safe push and safe pop operations. How to? Okay, ma. So here, suppose if the stack capability is, it stores 10 elements, maximum 10 elements only. Okay, so one by one element is inserted onto the stack. Okay, after completing 10 elements, that stack is filled. Then we are trying to insert another element. Then what happened? 10 elements are filled, that is stack is full. After that also we are trying to insert another element. Then what happened? That is not inserted. There we are getting some error. That error is called fully error. Okay, ma, that error is called fully error. Okay, so like that here in the pop operation, suppose if we are deleting element by element from this stack. Okay, so here what happened? So all the 10 elements are deleted. Now the stack is empty. At that time also we are trying to delete another element. Is any element will be present in this stack now? No, all the 10 elements will be popped. After that also we are trying. So then we are getting the empty error. Okay, ma, we are getting the empty error. అంటే స్టాక్ ఫిల్ అయిన తర్వాత మనం ఇంకో ఎలిమెంట్ ని ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేసాము అనుకోండమ్మా పుష్ ఆపరేషన్ లో వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ ఫుల్లీ ఎర్రర్. లైక్ దాట్ మనం ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్ని డిలీట్ చేసేసాం, స్టాక్ ఎంటీ అయిపోయింది, ఇంకా డిలీట్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేసాం. ఎంటీ అయిపోయింది అంటే అందులో ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏమి లేకపోతేనే కదా మనం ఎంటీ స్టాక్ అనేది. సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఆల్సో వీఆర్ ట్రైంగ్ టు డిలీట్ వన్ ఎలిమెంట్. సో దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్ బికాస్ దెర్ ఈస్ నో ఎలిమెంట్ ఇన్ దట్ స్టాక్. So then at that time we are getting the empty error. Okay, these are the, see here, safe pop, empty error. When empty error, branch is greater than 0 only. Okay, like that safe push. Here we are getting the full error. Okay, ma. So this is about the, see here, like this. We are taking example how the stack pointer will be changed. Okay. Next Q. Q means here two ends are opened. Two ends are opened. From one end we are inserting, that is called front end. From one end we are deleting the elements. This is called the rear end. Okay, ma. So here we are having FIFO basis. This Q will having the principle FIFO, first in, first out. Okay, ma, first in, first out. Okay, so this is about the Q. Okay, next subroutine. Subroutine means that is like a subprogram. That is like a subprogram, like a function. Okay, ma. So suppose if any main program is there, okay, in that main program we are having some function. That function instructions will be kept in at the last. Okay, whenever we are calling that function, then what happened? The controller goes to that function. Okay, after completing that function only, the controller goes to the main program where the execution stops. Okay, ma. So like that here subroutine also, that is the subtask. See here, a subtask consisting of a set of instructions which is executed many times is called a subroutine. Suppose loops. Why we are using loops? In C language we are using while loop, do while loop, for loop. What is the use of loops? Suppose if we want to execute some instructions repeatedly, then we write the same instruction number of times in the same program. Okay, to avoid that, what we can do, we are using loops. All the instructions which are executed repeatedly will be placed in a loop. Okay, Amma, there we are giving some condition. Up to satisfying that condition, the loop instructions are executed repeatedly. That is called the subtask. Okay, Amma. So here, that is the subroutine. The program branches to a subroutine with a call instruction. Suppose if a function is there, we are calling that function. After completing the function, return instruction is used. That the controller returns to the main program where the flow of execution stops. Okay. Once the subroutine is executed, the calling program must resume execution starting from the instruction immediately following the calling instructions. Okay, that is control is to be transferred back to the calling program. మనం ఏదైతే ప్రోగ్రామ్ ని కాల్ చేసుకున్నామో ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళిపోతాం ఇమీడియట్ గా. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ డన్ బై ఎగ్జిక్యూటింగ్ ఎ రిటర్న్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ అట్ ది ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది సబ్రొటీన్. ఓకే, సో అంటే ఆ సబ్రొటీన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అంతా కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయాక మనం ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తాం? రిటర్న్ టు ద మెయిన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఓకే, సో here call instruction, return instruction ante totally that based on the program counter value. What is the program counter? PC. It fetches the address location of the next instruction. Okay, Amma, see this example. This is the main program here. Whenever we call sub, okay, so the controller goes to sub. Here the subroutine is there. That subroutine name is subtraction, sub. Okay, ma? So the controller, whenever we call this sub, then the controller goes to subroutine. After completing this, return will be there. That is return to the main program like this. Okay, ma? So this is about the subroutine. The next topic is logic instructions. Logic instructions means here we are using and, or, not. Okay, ma? These are used in logic circuits, that is digital circuits. In digital computer, we are using logical operations on binary numbers, that is in the form of ones and zeros. Okay, ma? So here, these are gates. AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. Okay, ma? See here. This is also useful to be able to perform logic operations in software, which is done using instructions that apply these operations. That is here, if you see the AND or NOT. AND means this is the AND gate. Okay, ma? Here, if the two inputs are there, A and B, the output is AB. Okay, here if you see the truth table, the inputs are A, B. The output is taking as Y. Y is equal to AB. Okay, 0, 0 means 0. This is like a multiplication. 0, 1, 0. 1, 0, 0. 1, 1, 1. Okay, ma? Next, OR gate. OR gate means the symbol is this is the symbol for OR gate. If A and B are inputs, suppose if the Z is the output, that will be equal to A plus B. Okay, ma? Take the same combinations. Z equal to A plus B, kada? So the outputs are 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, ma? NOT gate means that is having only one input. The output is the inversion of the input. So A bar. Okay, suppose if the output is taking as Y, then Y is equal to A bar. Okay, so A having the two input 0 and 1. Whenever A equal to 0, A bar becomes 1. Whenever A equal to 1, A bar becomes 0. Okay, like this you draw the gate symbol and draw the truth table also. Okay. The next one is shift and rotate instructions. Okay, ma? Here we are having logical shifts. Okay, here two logical shift instructions are there, shifting left and shifting right. In shift operations, we are having arithmetic shift and logical shift are there. First, we learn this logical shift. Okay, ma? So in that, logical shift left. Okay, logical shift left. That is, see the example here. If you observe this arrow mark left side, okay, ma, like this. Take one example. Here L shift L #2, R0. అంటే ఇక్కడ దీని మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే అమ్మా R0 లో ఏదైతే డేటా ఉందో దాన్ని 2 bits షిఫ్ట్ లెఫ్ట్ చేయమని, లాజికల్ షిఫ్ట్ లెఫ్ట్ చేయమని. ఓకేనా? సో ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ, హియర్ 0 1 1 1 0 and so on 0 1 1. This is the R0 data. After executing this instruction, what happened? This 0 is getting out, and next this 1 will be shifted here. Okay, totally see here. 2 bits shift left. So this 0 will be get out, and this 0 0 0. Okay, ma. Next this 1 will be shifted here. This 1, this 1, this 0, like this. Okay, ma. Next this 0 will be shifted here. 1 is shifted here, 1 is shifted here. ఇక్కడ మనకి 2 empty positions వస్తాయి. The empty positions is replaced with the zeros. Okay, like that logical shift right. Here also 2 bits shift right. So this the same data will be considered. So here మనం ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ షిఫ్ట్ రైట్ కాబట్టి ద క్యారీ ఈజ్ రైట్ సైడ్, షిఫ్ట్ లెఫ్ట్ అంటే క్యారీ ఈజ్ ఇన్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ రిమెంబర్డ్. సో 2 bits. So the 0 will be shifted here and 1 is shifted here. Okay, ma. Next this 1 will shifted here, 0 is shifted here, next like this. So this 0 is here, this 1 1 1 0. Left side 2 empty positions ఉంటాయి. Those 2 empty positions are filled with the zeros. Okay, amma. This is logical shift left, logical shift right. Okay na. Next arithmetic shift left. Arithmetic shift left is same as logical shift left. Okay na. So next arithmetic shift right. Okay ma. Arithmetic shift right. Right. So here 2 bits #2 R0. సో ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తాము అంటే అమ్మా, ఇది ఒక్కటే డిఫరెన్స్. ఎంటీ పొజిషన్స్ ఉంటే వాటిని ఎంఎస్బి ఏదైతే ఉందో దాంతో రీప్లేస్ చేస్తాము. ఓకేనా. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వి ఆర్ టేకింగ్. షిఫ్ట్ రైట్, రైట్ సైడ్ కాబట్టి క్యారీ ఈస్ టేకింగ్ ఇన్ రైట్ సైడ్. ఓకేనా. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి 2 bits రైట్ చేయమన్నాం కాబట్టి సో హియర్ 0, here also 0. Okay, next this 1 will be shifted here, this 0 is shifted here, this 1 is shifted here, this 1 is shifted here, 0 0 1. 2 empty positions ఉంటాయి కదమ్మా. ఇక్కడ ఈ 2 empty positions ని ఎంఎస్బి ఏదైతే ఉందో దాంతో ఫిల్ చేస్తాం. ఇక్కడ ఎంఎస్బి ఎంత 1 కాబట్టి 2 empty positions ని మనం 1 తో రీప్లేస్ చేస్తాం. Okay na. This is about the arithmetic shift right. Okay na. Next rotate operations. In this rotate left with carry, rotate left without carry, rotate right with carry, and rotate right without carry. Okay, so rotate means here see the first one, rotate left without carry. Left కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ carry అనేది left side ఉంది. వితౌట్ క్యారీ అంటే క్యారీ కాకుండా మనం రొటేట్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే అమ్మా. సి హియర్ ఆర్ రొటేట్, ROTAT, రొటేట్ లెఫ్ట్ L #2, దట్ ఈస్ 2 bits rotate left. ఓకేనా. సి హియర్ సో దిస్ 0 will be left, this 0 and this 0 will be coming out. So 1 1 1 0 0 1 1. Okay, here without carry. That's why so carry కాకుండా left అవ్వాలి. ఓకేనా అమ్మా. రొటేట్ లెఫ్ట్ అవ్వాలి. ఓకేనా. దట్స్ వై హియర్ దిస్ 0 will be come first. Next this 1 will be next 1. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ rotate left with carry, same. So left side, so carry is here with carry. క్యారీ రొటేట్ అవ్వాలి కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇక్కడ లాస్ట్ లో 2 bits ఎంటీ ఉంటాయి కదమ్మా. సో అవి క్యారీతో రొటేట్ అవ్వాలి కాబట్టి ఈ జీరో ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేస్తాయి. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ రొటేట్ రైట్ వితౌట్ క్యారీ. ఓకే, రొటేట్ రైట్, దట్స్ వై క్యారీ ఈస్ టేకింగ్ ఎట్ ద రైట్ సైడ్. ఓకే, వితౌట్ క్యారీ, దట్స్ వై సీ హియర్ వితౌట్ క్యారీ రొటేట్ రైట్. సో హియర్ రొటేట్ ఆర్ #2 R0, 2 bits రొటేట్ అవ్వమని చెప్తున్నా. ఓకేనా. సో 0 1, సో దిస్ 1 will be coming here, this 0 will be coming here, 0 1 1 1 0. సో ఇక్కడికి వితౌట్ క్యారీ కదా. సో చూడండి ఈ 1 అనేది ఇలా రొటేట్ అయ్యి ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ బిట్ 1 విల్ బి రొటేటెడ్ హియర్. సో కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనకి 1 1 వస్తుంది. ఓకే అమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్ రొటేట్ రైట్ విత్ క్యారీ. సో క్యారీతో రొటేట్ అవ్వాలి. ఓకే. సో హియర్ ఆల్సో we are taking 2 bits. Okay. So 0 1, this 1 will be coming here, this 0 will be coming here, 0 1 1 1 0. ఇక్కడ ఎంటీ పొజిషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదమ్మా విత్ క్యారీ. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ 0 వచ్చేసి ఇలా రొటేట్ అవుతుంది, అది ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ 1 వచ్చేసి రొటేట్ అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా. సో రొటేట్ రైట్ విత్ క్యారీ వీటిని ఎక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తాము అంటే మనం if you are have some example will be, suppose if we want to convert a packed number to unpacked number, in that also like that, depending on our requirement, we are using the shift operations and rotate operations. Okay ma. So in this class we learn what are the topics: stack and queue, next subroutine, logic instructions, shift operations and rotate operations. Okay ma.